Hello, second graders. I'm Mrs. Coulter, your GATE teacher. Welcome to GATE. This is your first math assignment for your seesaw, and I'm so excited to get started with you. As you can see, we're going to start looking at pictographs, and we're going to be working on two different goals for this today. Our first goal is to interpret a pictograph. This means you're going to answer specific questions based on the pictures placed on the graph. Goal number 2 is to match mathematical relationships presented in tables with those shown in the pictograph. So mathematical just means math, and relationships just means related to. These are very big words probably for you. So this means you're going to look at a legend. Now, a legend is a rectangle box, and you will see how many each picture will represent. For example, if there is a picture of a smiley face in the legend, and it says each smiley face equals 3 faces, if there are 2 faces in the pictograph, that would represent 6 smiley faces, because 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, so here we have the number of children, and we have the places that they are playing on in the playground. So again, here is an example of the pictograph. Here are the children. Here is the legend. Now, each child is equal, or each person right here is equal to 2 children. So you can see through here that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So there are 8 children on the swings. Okay, so here on this side, your questions will be. These are the questions you need to answer. So, how many children are on the slide? So let's take a look here. So we have 1 here, but remember 1 equals 2, so we could type a 2 right here. Okay, how many more children are on the slide than in the sandbox? Well, we can see here that there are no children in the sandbox. So we could say that there are 2. There are 2 more because we're looking at the slide compared to the sandbox. Okay, next one. How many fewer children are on the bars than on the swings? So we can see that there are 3 right here, but remember they're equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And remember we had 8 here, so 8 minus 2, or I'm sorry, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, and our last one, how can you tell where most of the children are at the playground? Use the mic feature to record your answer. Well, here you can tell that most of the kids are on the swings. Now, some of you might need a pencil to help you with these, a pencil and paper. Feel free to do that, but also feel free to write anywhere on here to do your math. You want to make sure that you complete all 6 slides before you submit. You do have a week to do these. And I'm also going to be meeting with you to explain these a little bit more. Now, the last slide you will always see these on your activities. Now, this is for me to tell how you are doing or did on the activity. So you are going to select one of these boxes and circle it. So I needed a lot of help to complete this. Did you need a lot of help from someone? Then you circle this. I needed some help to complete this activity. Did you need just a little help? Then circle this. Now, if you did it completely by yourself and needed no help, then go ahead. So that is your first example, of your first activity. So I hope you enjoy your activity and that you are able to get it finished in a week. Good luck.